Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create a 3D simple pillows. First I will insert the cube objects and you can set for width 58, height 11, depth I will set into 47, and for width segment and depth segment we can set into 4, for height I will set into 2. Okay, you can click OK to apply. The next I will use this option map plus wireframe view, and then we can use vertex edit. You can change into top view and then we can select in this vertex. The next we can change into bottom view. We also can select in this vertex. You can use a scale command to scale this all vertex. Okay, you can scale in a green axis. I will move to the top here, and then I will move to the bottom. The next we can select this vertex. Okay, we also can select in here, and the last in here. You can use scale command in right axis. Okay, I will move into this point. We scale again in here, move into here. Okay, you can scale in blue axis, and then we scale again in blue axis in it. Okay, the next we can select this vertex. Okay, you also can select this all vertex inside. Select again in here, and the last we select in here. Now we can use scale in green axis. You can click here and move to the bottom. We also can scale in here, move to the top. Okay, now we can select this objects. Okay, this vertex in here, and then you can use move tools. We can move to the bottom, and now we also can select at this vertex. And then we can use move tools, move to the top. Now to make smooth these 3D models, we can use this command run objects, but first we can uncheck vertex option, and then we can click modify, click run objects. You can set for smoothness into 4 and you can click preview. Now this very simple pillows, you can click apply. I will use a scope modeling to make bump into this pillow. You can click and then click a sculpting. The next we can use this option standard brush, and then I will set for size into 5. You can sculpt in here. Okay, we can sculpt at the face. Okay. The next you also can sculpt in the bottom here. So we create bump with this command. Okay, now we already create this simple 3D model pillow with SelfCAD software. And to save these objects, I will save into asset. You can click OK for standard brush, and then I will click files. You can click save objects. We're waiting for save objects information, and you can see the file will be saved in the load objects in there. So we already have this library for 3D pillows. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD basic 3D modeling tutorial how to create a 3D pillow. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.